Good morning. Another dull day, but thankfully no rain. I've just arrived this morning to discover that an old lilac tree has fallen down. It's a useful one. Hello, helper. There we go. He's very good. It's a useful one because it was actually screening off this barn here. So we're going to have to get rid of all of this today and tidy it up because look, like a phoenix rising from the ashes. We don't need to plant a new tree because it's already done it for itself. So we'll tidy up that around there and leave that to carry on growing for the next few years, and hopefully, being a lilac, it'll grow pretty quickly and it'll soon start to screen off this area again. Right, time for more work. See you later. Bye.